Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we're delving into the fascinating world of Asia's rarest creatures. Join us as we explore the top 10 rare animals in Asia, from the elusive Amur leopard to the majestic Philippine eagle. Get ready for an adventure into the wild and discover the incredible diversity and conservation challenges facing these extraordinary species. 10. Amur leopard. The Amur leopard, Panthera pardus orientalis, stands as a majestic yet critically endangered symbol of the Russian Far East and northeastern China. With a mere 100 individuals remaining in the wild, it embodies the fragility of biodiversity in the face of human encroachment. Its stunning spotted coat and agile demeanor belie the grave threats it faces from habitat loss, poaching, and diminishing prey. Efforts to safeguard this elusive feline involve habitat conservation, anti-poaching measures, and community engagement. The plight of the Amur leopard serves as a poignant reminder of the urgent need for concerted global conservation action to ensure its survival. 9. Javan rhino. The Javan rhino, Rhinoceros sondacus, epitomizes the precarious state of endangered species, with fewer than 70 individuals surviving exclusively on the Indonesian island of Java. Once widespread across Southeast Asia, relentless poaching and habitat loss have pushed this ancient species to the brink of extinction. Its solitary nature and dense forest habitat make it exceedingly challenging to study and protect. Conservation efforts focus on habitat restoration, anti-poaching measures, and captive breeding programs to bolster dwindling populations. The Javan rhino's plight underscores the urgent need for collaborative conservation initiatives to safeguard its existence and preserve the biodiversity of its unique island habitat. 8. Saola. The saola, Pseudorix ngetenhensis, known as the Asian unicorn, is a cryptic and critically endangered bovine species found in the remote Annamite Range of Vietnam and Laos. With its distinct two long parallel horns and striking appearance, it represents a biological enigma, discovered only in 1992. Its elusive nature and habitat in inaccessible mountainous regions make it challenging to study and conserve. Poaching and habitat loss threaten the few remaining individuals. Conservation efforts include habitat protection, community engagement, and research to understand its ecology better. Saving the saola requires urgent and collaborative action to prevent its slide into extinction. 7. Sumatran elephant. The Sumatran elephant, Elephas maximus sumatranus, is a critically endangered subspecies found exclusively on the Indonesian island of Sumatra. Threatened by habitat loss due to deforestation and human encroachment, as well as poaching for ivory and conflicts with humans, its population has drastically declined. Conservation efforts focus on habitat protection, mitigating human-elephant conflicts, and raising awareness to halt poaching. These efforts aim to safeguard not only the Sumatran elephant but also the rich biodiversity of Sumatra's forests. Urgent action is crucial to ensure the survival of this iconic species and maintain the ecological balance of its habitat. 6. Yanks giant softshell turtle. The Yanks giant softshell turtle, Rarest swinhoedi, holds the title of one of the world's rarest turtles, primarily found in China and Vietnam. With only a handful left in the wild, conservationists are racing against time to save this critically endangered species. Threatened by habitat degradation, pollution, and overharvesting, it faces immense challenges to survival. Conservation efforts involve habitat restoration, captive breeding programs, and community involvement in protecting remaining habitats. Each individual turtle represents a beacon of hope for the species' survival, highlighting the importance of concerted conservation action to prevent the loss of this ancient and unique reptile. 5. Red-crowned crane. The red-crowned crane, Grus japonensis, embodies grace and rarity, residing predominantly in East Asia, particularly Japan, China, and Korea. Facing endangerment due to habitat loss, human disturbance, and agricultural expansion, its population has dwindled. Efforts to safeguard this majestic bird include wetland conservation, protection of nesting sites, and community engagement. The red-crowned crane's cultural significance and ecological role make its preservation imperative. Conservation initiatives strive to mitigate threats and raise awareness to ensure the survival of this iconic crane species, symbolizing the harmony between nature and humanity in East Asia's delicate ecosystems. 4. Siberian tiger. The Siberian tiger, Panthera tigris altaica, reigns as the largest of all big cats, inhabiting the remote forests of the Russian Far East, with scattered populations in China and possibly North Korea. Threatened by habitat loss, poaching, and human-wildlife conflict, its numbers have dwindled to critically endangered levels. Conservation efforts focus on habitat protection, anti-poaching measures, and community involvement in tiger conservation. The Siberian tiger serves as a flagship species for the conservation of the vast and biodiverse forests of its range, highlighting the importance of preserving its habitat and ensuring the survival of this iconic apex predator. 3. Sunda pangolin. The Sunda pangolin, Manis javanica, epitomizes the plight of pangolins worldwide, facing severe threats due to illegal wildlife trade and habitat loss across Southeast Asia. As the most trafficked mammal globally, it is critically endangered, with populations rapidly declining. Conservation efforts encompass anti-poaching initiatives, habitat restoration, and raising awareness about the pangolin's ecological importance. Despite being elusive and solitary, community engagement plays a crucial role in protecting this unique creature. Efforts to combat illegal wildlife trade and provide alternative livelihoods for local communities are pivotal in safeguarding the Sunda pangolin's future and preserving the delicate balance of Southeast Asia's ecosystems. 2. Philippine eagle. The Philippine eagle, Pithecia jeffreyi, holds the title of the world's largest eagle and is endemic to the Philippines, particularly the islands of Luzon, Samar, Leyte, and Mindanao. With its majestic appearance and significant cultural importance, it faces threats from habitat loss, logging, and hunting. Conservation efforts center on habitat protection, captive breeding, and community education to mitigate these threats. The Philippine eagle serves as a symbol of conservation in the Philippines, highlighting the importance of preserving its unique habitat and biodiversity. Saving this magnificent bird is essential for maintaining the ecological balance of its island home. 1. Giant panda. The giant panda, Ailuropoda melanoluca, symbolizes both China's rich biodiversity and the global conservation movement. Endemic to bamboo forests in China's Sichuan, Shaanxi, and Gansu provinces, its iconic black and white coat captivates hearts worldwide. Threatened by habitat fragmentation, poaching, and low reproductive rates, its population remains vulnerable. Conservation efforts encompass habitat preservation, captive breeding programs, and international collaborations. The giant panda's charismatic appeal has catalyzed extensive conservation initiatives, highlighting the interconnectedness between wildlife conservation and sustainable development. Ensuring the survival of this beloved species not only safeguards its future, but also preserves the ecological integrity of its mountainous habitat. Thanks for tuning into our exploration of Asia's rarest animals. We hope you enjoyed learning about these incredible creatures and the importance of their conservation. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating wildlife content.